mga ka-Shobikes, and welcome to our new vlog. Today is March 23, 2022 and we are here at Little Chill Out Cafe. Welcome to Jagna Food Park, guys. It is located at Poblacion, Jagna, Bohol. So guys, come and dine in with me. Good morning guys, mga tumi karon sa Jagna. Makainom ba mi og milk tea guys. Kaya nag-crave kog milk tea kay tungod kay init na kayong Philippines guys. So, come and join me. Kauban ako si Russel guys. Siyang, hi sa vlog. Saya. So guys, stay tuned and please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share.
Done me and you bet I felt it.
So guys, namin karon sa city ng Hagi guys kay walay series nga magpasakay na mo kay bawal man overloaded ang series guys. So padung may karon man na kayo kuan jeep para padung sa ICF.
Divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart.
So what's up mga ka-Shobikes, and welcome to our new vlog. Naday si Leah guys. Ano sa pangalan mo? Among tour guide karon here at Jagna guys. Padung may karon sa Kalamay plantation. Tuan sa gamanan sa Kalamay guys. Si Russel guys, ang videographer. Si Russel B. So stay tuned lang guys kay mga to na may karon sa Kalamay nga gamanan. So we finally arrived guys sa gamanan guys, and also gahawat me. So naapoy mga taga LTO guys nga nakapapicture sa
naghahanap ka ng maaaya pagkat sadyang wala kang magawa, nagsasayang ng bawat oras sa wala. Na-search mo ng lahat sa internet, naubos na ang load sa kakatext, naghihintay ka lang na may makukulit ulit.
So what's up mga ka-Shobikes? Welcome here at Kalamay Production. Kalamay guys. Tanaw na karon sa By the way guys, wala may kadayon sa pagtanaw sa Mugamag Kalamay kay nagtakos na sila. So muli na mi guys.
When it rains, it pours, but you didn't even notice. Ain't it raining anymore? It's hard to breathe when you know it. The struggle of staying above the rising water.
So guys, padung mi karon nanto sa Little Chill Out guys. Init kaayo. Na si Russel guys, si Leah guys. So mga to mi kay manginom milk tea char sa all libre. Ito guys, magsuway tawag maka-free ba ta adto guys? Free magagnaw. Ito guys, mo suway may palit adto. Kay since nanamig Jagna, mawasa na yung tuyo. Kay init na kayong Philippines guys. Mura na iniduol na siya sa sun. Ultimo ang electric fan. Aso na siguro. Sama niya mong meter. Ha?
Hold tight to your umbrella, darling. I'm just trying to tell you that there's always been a rainbow hanging over your head. I wanna lay down by the fire with you. Our souls are glowing, every warmer too. Your love surrounds me like a lullaby, singing softly, you are mine, oh mine. Moons never glow this color, hearts have never been this close. I have never been more certain I will love you till we're old. Maybe the night holds a little hope for us, dear. Maybe we might wanna settle down, just be near, stay together.
So, what's up mga ka-Shobikes, and welcome to our new vlog. Today is March 23, 2022, and we are here at Little Chill Out Cafe to taste their Lamian kaayo na milk tea. So guys, come and dine in here at Little Chill Out at Pangdan, Jagna, Bohol. So, I'm with Russel and Leah. So, please like and subscribe to my channel.
Hearts have never been this close. Night have never been more.
What's up guys? Mubalik kami ito sa food park guys. Kaya bukan na ito sa Little Chill Out Cafe guys. So, umudong mo sa Jagna guys. Sapit mo di ay sa Little Chill Out Cafe. Kaya lami kayo sila mga food ito guys. So please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ring the notification bell.
Maybe the night holds a little hope for us, dear. Maybe we might wanna settle down, just
Camiguin Island guys. Doon kayo diri sa Jagna.
holds a little hope for us, dear. Maybe we might wanna settle down, just be near, stay together, stay together.
We are here at Baywalk sa Jagna guys. Nice kaayo guys. Nang sunset nila guys oh. Nice kaayo. And also guys na tong Camiguin Island guys. Kana guys na. Ay sarong to. Here guys. So nice kaayo ni guys. Nice yung lang.
I saw her from a distance, out of the corner of my eye. Her hair is shining bright. She's the
Mga
prettiest
tumi
girl
karon
I've
sa
ever
food
seen
park.
around.
Kay mga on me guys.
Saw her from a distance. She made me wanna smile. Her face is cute and it's beautiful. She's the only girl that stands out in the crowd. I hope you'll notice me
Tidzik,
sometime. I hope you'll be with me
Na sila ma'am guys. Oga, pictorial sila guys. Hi ma'am. Say hi. So padung may karon sa food park guys kay hapon naman mga onomig agkaon. Mo dine-in mi guys kay nice kaayo to guys. Dili ni kaayo siya init. Dili niya siya init guys. Hapon na siya guys. Dili na hot. Nice kayo ni guys. Ay food park na guys. Libo na tayo. Hi Bibi. Siyang kiniro siya. Kagran kayo tawari guys. Nice tayo rin. Jagna food park. Sabi pa lang mga poor me. Kagran kayo tawari guys. Hi sa vlog ma'am. Hi te, hi kuya. Hi te. Busy kayo siya. Trickster guys. Suroy pa ni may kahit mga malit may. Nagkan kayo food sa ni guys. Chika sila guys. Chika sila guys. Hey ate! Siya itam siya ate guys. Sama pa ni hapon? Pila po na. Kana Brad? 19 na yun Brad. Hi! Ka-vlog ko. Napoy barbecue guys. Taga Maribok guys. So lechon na mo guys napilian. Yan guys, 99 ra guys. With drinks na siya. Summarize. Napo dari guys, so na barbecuehan guys. Napo dari guys. Ani. Nice to lang. Tagay ka Brad? Saan ba? Ano ito? Hagna food park guys. It is located at Poblacion, Hagna, Bohol. So guys, come and dine in with me.
Nandito lang ako. How I wish you let me know. Sino-sino pang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan-saan ka pa naghahanap, nandito
So before this video end, I would like to thank to Bernardo Ricatuna and family for the accommodation, and also to Team Jusoltes, the Andrebudad, and Reggie Manlabaw, and also sa lahat sa akong mga subscribers, and also sa akong mga viewers. Thanks for watching.
Last night I had a dream, was up in the clouds, was finally free. I heard a choir, started to sing the songs that we sang when you were with me. I never thought I'd be so high